Well, here's the first part of calibration, or at least the setup for it. I have a regular 1-to-1 adjustable fuel pressure regulator, and I got good old 35 series Mac valve. I'm gonna bleed off fuel reference pressure from the manifold to reduce rail pressure based off of however much methanol is going in. Using a microcontroller, I'm going to give it a number of inputs to try to model the current fuel need from the engine, and then weigh it against how much methanol is going in, and then I'll be able to control the fuel adjustment with fuel pressure instead of something more complicated than that. This way it's totally invisible to the PCM. It has no idea what's going on. We're actually reducing fuel pressure in general, which is cool. So that's with nothing going on. It's the Mac valve is de-energized. If I connect it to power, give it full duty cycle, it bleeds off everything and goes back to 50 psi reference pressure. 20 pounds of boost from the shop air is just kind of what I'm using for as a calibration point to map out the response curve of the Mac valve to bleeding. And hopefully that'll stay pretty accurate for the whole, rail boost curve. Yeah, we'll see how it works. I haven't really seen anybody do this before, but we're trying it.